Presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
I'm really excited about showing you these surprise toys. I saw these in Walmart and they're called Yowie, and each one has its own name. This is Diddy, and they are made of chocolate, but there is a toy inside. So you can open it up and there's a surprise in each one. And this is Craig, this was Boof, and then this was Rumble. And they all have a toy inside. And we'll have to see which ones they have. And there's Squish and Nap. And they kind of remind me of the 7 Dwarves, except there's only 6 of them. And then I also have these balloons. And there's different toys inside there. And I'm really excited to get those open and see what toys are inside there. And then we have this one back here. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with Diddy, because I've been dying to open these things up. And there we go. Oh, and it just breaks apart like that. And then here's the chocolate. Curious what it tastes like. I'm going to break off a piece. It's actually pretty good. It's not the best chocolate, but it's not the worst chocolate I've ever had. And then, let's see. Here we go. And it's a platypus. And then it gives you some information on the platypus. It's found in streams and rivers, and what it eats. So that's really cool. So we've got a platypus so far. Let's see what's in Boof. And we're going to open up Boof and take apart the chocolate. Okay, there we go. And there's a rabbit. And there's its information. That's so cute. So we have a rabbit and a platypus. Oh, and we got another rabbit. So there's 2 rabbits. And there looks like a wolf. Yep, a gray wolf. These are cute little toys that you can play with. And let's see. Oh, an owl. That's my favorite. That's pretty cool. And let's set the owl there. And it is an African grass owl. And last one. And we've got a bear. And this is a brown bear. Really, really neat. So we've got a bear, an owl, 2 rabbits, a wolf, and a platypus. So let's get into these balloons and see what else we've got. Alright, let's go ahead and get these balloons open. And let's see what's inside. And it's Tootie as a Viking. And oops. There he is. It's Plex. There's Plex. And Ruby. Let's see what else we find in the other balloons. kind of fell out. We've got Minnie Mouse and Jake from the Neverland Pirates and the conductor from Dinosaur Train and Buzz Lightyear. And then last balloon. And inside that balloon is chocolate. It's frozen chocolate. And there's Anna, and there's Sven, and Olaf, and Elsa, and Kristoff, and Anna. And if you open them up, on the inside, it gives you a little information about them. One of the central themes of the movie is the power of love over fear. And then let's open this one. If you watch the film, you would know that Anna is pronounced Anna, and she is a chocolate lover. There's Anna, and then Elsa. Han's horse, who keeps Anna from falling in the water before the coronation, has a name, Citron, which means lemon in Norwegian. I didn't know that, so that's really cool. And then this is Sven and Olaf. At one point, filmmakers named the reindeer Thor instead of Sven. So really, really cool. I just wanted to share this all with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And subscribe to my channel for lots more toy videos. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.